Our air compressor's turned off, so hand pumping time.
It's just completely gone from what, like 1 year of use? Not even. I think we're gonna go with this.
Your new dropper post. Shimano Pro. 70 mil. So, total of 7 centimeters worth of movement for you. That means a lot.
We got these at 99, didn't we?
99 bucks.
Oh yeah. No, this makes riding so much easier.
This is a really good intro unit for anyone wanting to get one.
Yeah.
But we might use a stem cap one. I need to get this. Just to use these on carbon rims, but we're just gonna quickly pop that off.
Yeah, that is awfully high.